The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. The goals of the attacks have been reached. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Preemptive fire attack launched by Russian artillery has resulted in the frustration of an attempt made by the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine to launch an offensive towards Bersama in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction. Up to 50 Ukrainian personnel, 5 armored combat vehicles and 3 pickups with large-caliber machine guns have been eliminated. 3 US-manufactured M777 howitzers have been destroyed near Zagryzovo in Kharkov region. Moreover, one ferry installed by the Ukrainian armed forces over the Oskol River for redeployment of reserve forces delivering ordnance and supplies has been destroyed near Dvorechная in Kharkov region. Attacks launched by missile troops and artillery have resulted in the prevention of enemy's attempts to cross the Zhorebets River near Stelmachovka, Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic and Yampolovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Krasny Liman direction. Concentrated attacks launched by Russian artillery have resulted in the neutralization of one Ukrainian assault detachment that was redeploying towards Kirovsk in Donetsk People's Republic near Torskoye Forestry. Over 20 Ukrainian personnel and 4 armored motor vehicles have been eliminated. Russian troops deployed near Vremevka in Donetsk People's Republic at Zaporozhye direction continued eliminating the enemy forces at their front line and seized the heights near Neskuchnoye in Donetsk People's Republic. Over 40 Ukrainian personnel, 1 tank and 3 infantry combat vehicles have been eliminated. Up to 3 enemy battalions, including 1 armored, made several attempts to break the defense of Russian troops near Koshara and Pedikatki in Kherson region at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Russian units have maintained their positions and caused considerable casualties among enemy forces during fierce battles. Over 250 Ukrainian personnel, 11 tanks, 14 armored combat vehicles and 12 field artillery guns have been eliminated. Russian troops have repelled the attacks launched by up to 1 mechanized infantry company towards Sadok in Kherson region, Zelony Gai, Tamarino and Ternovye Pody in Nikolaev region at Andreevka and Nikolaev directions. Intense action of Russian troops supported by artillery has resulted in repelling all the attacks. Up to 45 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored combat vehicles and 8 pickups with large-caliber machine guns have been eliminated. Moreover, Russian unmanned aerial vehicles have destroyed 4 Zoopark artillery reconnaissance radars and 1 US-manufactured ANTPQ-36 electronic warfare system. Over 350 Ukrainian personnel, 11 tanks, 18 armored combat vehicles, 8 special motor vehicles and 2 field artillery guns have been eliminated at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 3 command posts near Kryvyi Yar, Nikiforovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoosinovo in Kharkov region, 42 artillery units at their firing positions, 141 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 munitions depots have been destroyed near Davidov Brod in Kherson region, Shandrigolovo in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as at the territory of a shipyard in Zaporozhye. Air defense facilities have shut down 11 unmanned aerial vehicles over Nikolskoye, Blagoveshchenka, Andreevka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kuzemovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Podgornoye in Zaporozhye region, Sukhanovo, Staritsa, Charivnoye, Maxima Gorkovo, Kuybyshevo in Kherson region. Moreover, 8 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS have been intercepted near Kakhovka and Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,247 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,830 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 870 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,480 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,595 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.